Hello, guys. Um, I greet everyone. So I want to make this publicity. Why am I making this? Because I have tried to, engage so many people that are interested in learning AutoCAD. So I know some people have already subscribed to my YouTube channel. So I have started a practice in AutoCAD. I have done 10 different practice drawing in 2D AutoCAD. Now, why am I coming here to now start telling people again? Sometimes maybe people who have not subscribed are people who have already had a good idea about 2D AutoCAD. So I'm coming here now because I have finished what I had to do in 2D. I am now moving on to 3D. In case you are very interested in learning how to work on 3D AutoCAD, please, I want to use this medium to tell you to subscribe now, because today is Friday, tomorrow is going to be Saturday. So by tomorrow I will start 3D AutoCAD practice, so that for you not to miss it, I want you to subscribe in advance and turn on notification, so that once it's posted you'll be able to follow along, and you will not find it convenient to join it later, because if you join later, the practice will be accumulating. You will be confused which one to start from. So if you are very interested, create time. As the video is dropping, you try to practice it. The next video comes, you practice. The next video comes, you practice. Before you know, you will be familiar with using AutoCAD 3D. So let me do a recap of what we have done so far in 2D, and then I will try to introduce the first two diagrams that we are going to do in 3D. So far, this is the first drawing we did in 2D AutoCAD practice. Remember, before I started AutoCAD, I did introduction parts, which I did practical lesson 1, practical lesson 2, practical lesson 3, and practical lesson 4. After the four practical lessons, I went ahead to do practice lessons started from 1 till 10, and that number 10 is final. If you visit my YouTube channel, you will see it. So these are the practice lessons I have done on AutoCAD 2D. This was the number 1. The next one, the number 2, was this one. The next one was this as number 3. This was number 4. This was number 5. This was number 6. This was number 7. This was number 7. This was number 8. This was number 9. And this was number 10, which was final. So in the next series, we are going to be dealing with 3D, and our first lesson, which is going to start tomorrow on 3D, will be this drawing. So I know you might want to learn how to do this. That is why I come up to bring out this video, so that you see it in advance, you subscribe, and then wait for this video. So this is the very first one we are going to do tomorrow, and once we are done with that, next week we are going to do this. So if this thing looks like something you would want to know how it is done, then I will implore you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. My YouTube channel link is going to be dropped in the subscription button, and I will also display my YouTube handle name on the screen for you to check. So the YouTube handle name is going to be displayed. Alright, so see you there. Just subscribe. It is free right now. To subscribe is free. I will also advise you to subscribe now that it's free. So alright, thank you, bye.